By the time a hazard strikes, we may already be too late. This past decade witnessed nearly twice as many natural disasters as the 1980s. This number will continue to increase as uncontrolled urbanization progresses and our climate changes. The most effective way to save lives and livelihoods is to understand the risk and take action today, before the next disaster hits. However, our already limited resources are stretched too thin. We need data to focus our efforts and to ensure that we do not build vulnerable communities. Some data is missing. Some data exists, but it's inaccessible. Technology has evolved and there is no excuse. We will not be able to say we didn't know. The Open Data for Resilience Initiative, or OpenDRI, is working to change the way we collect, share, and use data. An initiative of the Global Facility for Disaster Reduction and Recovery, OpenDRI applies the philosophy and practices of the open data movement to reduce vulnerability to natural hazards and climate change across the globe. From Madagascar to the Himalayas, OpenDRI works with government agencies and international organizations to release disaster risk data and partners with communities to create maps of the places they live and work. Understanding risk is a collective endeavor, just as responding to the challenges of risk is a collective responsibility. OpenDRI builds capacity and long-term ownership of local stakeholders. New collaborations bring together diverse data sets and perspectives, developing a more accurate understanding of risk and enabling communities to act before disaster occurs. Connect with us and learn more about using OpenDRI to harness the power of open data to make our world more resilient to natural disasters and the impacts of climate change.